British summertime is here. I mean, it's not stinking hot, but it's not freezing cold either. A little bit breezy, but it's nice and dry. Which means it's perfect weather for getting the bike out and going for a ride. Not too uncomfortable. It can be uncomfortable if it's raining, because you can't really push it, and stuff like that, mud on the road, it becomes incredibly slippery if it's wet. The cold isn't too bad because you can just wrap up against it. But when it's too hot, it's not a lot of fun on a bike either, unless you're moving and unless you can guarantee that you can keep moving. So today is just fine for me. There is one of the biggest agricultural colleges, universities in the UK, which means you do get, or you can get a lot of tractors and mud and crap and the rest of it all over the roads. And of course in the evening you can get a lot of pissed young farmers staggering around all over the road. So you've got to have eyes in the back of your head all the time when you're in this neck of the woods, whether it's in the middle of the day, the weekend, night time. You've got to keep an eye out. There's always a hazard around. It's never not busy. But we rely on them to cook, grow and breed our food, and not cook it, grow and breed our food so that we can cook it. So I'm not complaining. Keep up the good work, farmers. Old lane this is. It's just a bit of a shortcut though, so I'll put up with it for the mile or so long that it is. Right, I'll edit this bit out, but I'm actually a little bit on the desperate side here, so I've got to stop for a second. Okay, that's better. Well, I'm not a million miles away from the Dragon Toll Bikers Cafe stroke workshop, so I might just pop in there and have a quick hot beverage. I'll still go the long way to it. I could turn right and I'd be pretty much straight there, but light traffic today. I'll drink to that. I mean, it'll only be a coffee I'll be drinking, or a tea, but I'll still drink to it. Okay, I'm going to hang on to my clean licence, so I'm not going to go speeding through residential bits, but take it easy. See if I get a smiley face from this sign, if it even sees me. 29, look at that. That was a smiley face. I don't know if this place will be open actually. Oh yeah, there's a few bikes here.